Today we'll talk about how can you disable a comment message on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. You just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on options. So then you come to this list here, then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications, click on it here. Then you come to this list here, then all you have to do, just come here to incoming message. Then you click in this sign here. Then like you see this sign show for us, that's mean incoming message notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.